How the Prince and the Pauper got the website they needed. Once upon a time, there was a prince and a pauper. The prince was wealthy and successful enough, but knew that he could become the king with a highly focused digital marketing presence, one that allowed him to rule all of the land even before his IPO. The pauper also needed a good digital marketing presence so that he could stop being a pauper and at least become a noble person. The prince sought out the wisest consultant in all the land and discovered that his local web cobbler was actually a WP Elevation certified consultant who could help him align his deepest desires and transform them into marketing magic. He had to make a fair investment in time and money, but the results were worth it. And soon his website functioned like a golden goose, and he was more successful than ever, turning not lead, but leads into gold. His castle flourished, and he could afford to add on the ultimate man cave. The pauper said to himself, "Oh, if only I could obtain the highly focused work of that web cobbler and obtain golden eggs for myself, but alas, I am a pauper and must bootstrap my lowly solopreneur startup with minimal funds while sticking to the principles of the Profit First book so that my accountant does not cast me into the debtor's austerity." The web cobbler, overhearing the sighs of the pauper, said, "You know, I have a product just for you that will not drain your coffers or make your accountant groan. I have an AI wizard that will create a site for you in minutes based on your business type. All you have to do is edit content and images, and you too can begin climbing the beanstalk of success. While it may not have all the nuances of the prince's site, it will serve you well to get you going. And I will always make available a clear upgrade path to you when you're ready." The pauper said, "Oh, edit it myself. What if it's too hard or I get stuck?" The cobbler said, "I think you'll find it pretty easy, seeing that you can already use yon word processor. But if you get stuck or have questions, help is always available. In fact, the first bit of help is free." The pauper was pleased and told the cobbler to set him up. In no time at all, he was up and running. And he left the impoverished village where he lived, promising to come back and help all of the other villagers when he could. At long last, the prince became a king, and the pauper became a noble in his court. The king offered to make the web cobbler a permanent member of his court, with pre-IPO stock options, but the cobbler declined, saying, "No thanks, I do well enough, and I have to be here to help the next prince and pauper when they come to town. And look, here they come now." Contact me for more information, whether you're a prince or a pauper.